Hey mamas! Woo, it's been a long time. What is that, ash or just something? I am going on a girl's date. Oh, she looking cute. Let me go back upstairs and put my lashes on. Hold on. Instagram and I think you're cute. I think you're cute. Oh yes I do. Okay guys, so we are headed to IKEA. I hope everybody had an amazing holiday. We took a little break, did a little resting. Who still eats hot dogs in 2020? I thought we were gonna get like a good lunch, but she's talking about a hot dog. Her and her husband love snacks. Anyway, so it's Manifest Monday, and it's the last Monday of 2019. So we are gonna manifest all your desires, all of them. Manifesting all your desires, guys. And I'm so excited with my other company, House of Sage. We are starting a whole new, okay, I can't tell. Oh my God, girl, you are in a different lane. Like, why are you driving like this?
Lady.
No, like seriously.
Oh yes I do. I think you're cute.
IKEA. Y'all, let me tell y'all a secret about IKEA. What? Dollar Tree Queen right here. We talking about IKEA. Oh, her little niece. Y'all, they're having a little unicorn party at the last minute.
And I found this.
Yes, I was gonna buy that. Where'd you find that?
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. Y'all, hold on. This
$20.
is about to be a Dollar Tree haul. This was $20?
No. People,
Girl.
well, the bigger one is like $20, but still, that's $1.
It's $1. I need this. I wonder if it really worked. I need this for my retreat. Okay, y'all. Look what she got. Dollar Tree haul. Okay, let's go to IKEA. Look how cute. You got all that for under $10?
Sure.
Anyway, let me tell y'all I didn't check. Y'all, let me tell y'all a story about IKEA. It's so hilarious.
And it's funny too.
It is funny. So guys, this is so hilarious. When Jackson was a little boy, when he was a baby, he's still a little boy. When he was a baby, I still live downtown, but at a different location. Guys. And so of course I've always worked from home, right? So sometimes, y'all, let me tell you, sometimes Jackson would just be on the last nerve. Not all the time, because he's my little sweet whoop-de-whoop. But this is a tip. This is a tip y'all can use, moms who stay at home with their babies. I would bring Jackson to IKEA for the free daycare for 2 hours. 2 hours. So I would break it up because you couldn't redo it. So he'll come stay the first hour and play, and then he will come, we'll leave for 30 minutes, go eat, and then come back for another hour. Let me tell you guys, that's a tip. You can thank me later. Thank me later. But here it is. This is where I used to bring Jackson. Oh, they changed it a little bit. It used to be like a wall they could climb up.
Jealous too.
You was jealous?
I used to want to go in there. It looked so fun.
Y'all, she could not go in there. She was a whole woman. They would be like,
I was 10.
you was 10? No, you was probably 13 when he was coming in here.
Oh, yes.
Yes, but this is it, guys. That's a tip. Thank me later.
Come on.
Guys, let's just stop and take this in for a minute. Let's just take this in. Is this was? So I'm manifesting my wellness. What other colors does this come in? Is it on here? Is this the only color this come in?
Coming in dark gray as well.
Oh, dark gray. I was looking for green. Yeah, thank you. All right, so let's scratch that because I want green. I'm just over brown. I've always been brown. So this is super cute, like that green. I just always cling to brown. That picture is super cute. This is a cute little room. I feel like that couch is $2,000. Lies you tell, IKEA, y'all lied to me. Take that back to Switzerland. This couch is $2,000. You go back to Switzerland with this.
How you name a thing from Switzerland?
IKEA's made in Switzerland.
Jackson would have his like that.
Like that. Don't. Jackson is sweet.
Oh, there's only we're missing. Like, what's wrong with them?
It's time to come together. It's up to you.
Sorry. Tell the mamas what you just got here, guys. You have been here 10 minutes. Oh, I need this one here in my kitchen. This girl want to take a break. How much you pay for yours?
$5.30.
Something healthy like that salmon plate.
I just want a snack. Is that cute?
That is, yes. That's how they cook it. What kind of snack you want? OMG, I haven't been to Starbucks in like, I mean, this is not Starbucks, IKEA in forever. Nice little bistro, looks like Starbucks. I love these cookies. Of course, Jackson's not gonna eat them because he's vegan. They don't sell hot dogs, y'all. They don't sell, look at them. Star. Hey, freak out. What you get, Star? What you get? What did you get?
My hot dog.
Her hot dog. They said the hot dogs would not be in. She ran over there. I don't know why she was running. She is way too happy. Woo! And they playing a song. Freak out. Anyway, guys, so this morning I told myself, okay, I'm only gonna get one more plant because my house looks like a jungle. And look what I got. And it was the money plant because mine died. Well, honestly, I have two more plants to get. I'm so excited about this. I manifested. Manifest Monday. Okay, we have been in the mall and we were only supposed to go to
70, 82 left on that.
IKEA.
And then can I get my card now? That one.
Alright.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Hey mamas, okay, this is the last Monday of the decade of the year. I am on the trolley, so it's gonna be really loud, but I wanted to get this in. Actually, this is part 2 because yesterday was a really long day with Star. But it was an amazing day. Like, I think we had the best time ever. We didn't fight. So that was super amazing. I am headed to the bank really early. Have a date with Jackson. I just wanted to talk about Manifest Monday. The key to manifesting that I found from my life is to get connected with my mind and my body, like those two connecting. And the way I get connected to those two, I wake up super early, like at 5:30, and meditate. Wait, yeah, I saw something on my eye. Sorry, guys. And so I just wanted to just talk about that. The videos will be much better next year. As you know, I'm just beginning, and thank you for following me so far. But just remember, the key to manifesting your whole life is through your mind and your body. It's like super cold, so my eye is just like really running. And I apologize for that. But Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys next year. Peace, love, and milk.